How'd it go down there with him?
Well, to be perfectly honest, you guys, he was a lot more intimidating than I expected him to be. There's no telling what kind of damage he can do if he really puts his mind to it. I mean, I won't know until I try, but the way things look right now, I'm not all that certain I can defeat him.
Goku, come on! You're serious, aren't you?
Then I think it's best you go back into the hyperbolic time chamber to train. There's time. We might as well use it. We've already settled on the order. I'll go in after you and Vegeta after me. And once I'm done in there, there'll be no point in anyone else even bothering to try.
Well, I've already decided not to take a turn. I think Cell's just too far out of my league now.
Trunks will go in after Vegeta. Then finally, Goku and Gohan, you'll be the last in before the tournament.
Nah, me and Gohan have had our share.
What?
We'll just finish up our training out here. 9 days ought to be enough to get ourselves pretty well prepared.
What? You've lost your mind! So that's it then? You're not going to re-enter the hyperbolic time chamber?
Yeah, that's right.
But you only stand to become stronger than you already are. I don't see the point in refusing.
I get that, but there's such a thing as too much training. You gotta rest every now and then. And the chamber's too hard on the body to let you relax.
Well, what do you know? So Kakarot does have a ceiling. It's the exact dimensions of the hyperbolic time chamber.
Maybe. Point is, if we've already pushed our bodies to their limit, then what's another year gonna do? We'd just be torturing ourselves. Of course, it's fine if the rest of you go in there and train as hard as you need to give yourselves a fair shot. Don't overdo it, but you can stand to beef up just a little bit.
Is that a fact? Mind your tongue. I'm not an imbecile. I know when I'm being patronized, and I don't care for the suggestion that you're stronger than me.
Yeah, I wasn't really suggesting.
What?
Okay, save it for the tournament. That goes for all of you. Gohan, come on.
I'm ready.